Samsung is back on track with the rollout of One UI 7.0 based on Android 15 for the Galaxy S24 series. After hitting pause due to a critical bug, the update is once again live, starting in Samsung's home turf, South Korea. The issue that caused the initial suspension has reportedly been fixed in the new build, labeled S928NKSU4YD9. This version is expected to make its way to other regions in the coming days. If you're installing One UI 7 for the first time, we recommend disabling your lock screen protection before updating. While the new firmware is considered stable, it's a smart move to avoid potential bugs during installation. One UI 7 brings subtle design refinements, performance boosts, and under-the-hood improvements thanks to Android 15. Samsung users can expect a more polished and responsive experience. With the S24 rollout back in motion, Samsung may still meet its promise to expand One UI 7 to more devices, including the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, before the month wraps up. You'll get a notification once One UI 7 is available for your phone. But if you don't feel like waiting, just head to Settings, Software Update, and check manually. For the tech-savvy crowd, the latest firmware is also available in the SamMobile archive for manual installation. Samsung's steady rollout of One UI 7 marks another step in delivering a consistent and refined software experience. Let's just hope the global deployment goes smoothly from here.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.